各位贵宾，欢迎搭乘益德航空 ED731班机前往东京成田国际机场，请您再次确认安全带已系紧，已被调整回正位，小桌板已收起，随身行李已妥善安置。谢谢您的配合。
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome aboard ED Airlines Flight ED731 to Tokyo Narita. Please ensure your seatbelt is securely fastened, seat back in the upright position, and tray table stowed. Thank you for your cooperation. V1. Rotate. Gear up.
各位贵宾，我是机长。我们目前正以200节的空速持续爬升中，预计稍后将爬升至10000尺高度。沿途天气良好，祝您飞行愉快。
Ladies and gentlemen, this is your captain speaking. We are currently climbing at an airspeed of 200 knots, heading towards our altitude of 10000 feet. Weather conditions along our flight path are excellent. Enjoy the flight.
I was a lonely silhouette, needed somebody to show the way. Yeah, I was a heartbeat with no sound till you came around. Yeah, you showed me colors, light in the darkness. You were the only thing I needed. Then we got older, but we stayed the same. Swear that we never lost the flame. No sorry.
各位贵宾，本班机已达10000英尺，因配合桃园离场航管避让限制暂时停飞，稍后将转向东北切入航路，并爬升至35000英尺。安全带灯已熄灭，即将开始客舱服务。就座时请系妥安全带，防范突发乱流。感谢搭乘益德航空波音747客机。
Ladies and gentlemen, we have reached 10000 feet and are temporarily leveling off due to Taiwan departure traffic control. We will shortly turn northeast to climb to